The United Arab Emirates is home to some of the world's most ambitious infrastructure projects. From the Etihad Rail to massive oil and gas expansions, the demand for safety professionals is at an all-time high. If you're looking to start your career as a Health, Safety and Environment or HSE officer, this is your complete guide to landing that first job in the UAE. First, you need to understand the law. Ministerial Resolution number 44 of 2022 mandates that any industrial or construction establishment with 100 or more workers must appoint a qualified safety officer. This legal requirement creates a consistent and growing market for safety professionals across all 7 emirates. What about education? While requirements vary, most Tier 1 employers in the UAE prefer candidates with a bachelor's degree in engineering or science. If you don't have an engineering degree, a diploma in safety management combined with a strong science background is your best alternative baseline. In the UAE, certifications are your license to work. Without them, your application will likely be filtered out by HR software. The gold standard is the NEBOSH International General Certificate. It is the minimum entry-level professional qualification most employers look for. Keep in mind that as of 2026, the syllabus has been updated. The new model includes a more rigorous points-based practical assessment. Next is IOSH Managing Safely. While it's not enough on its own for a full-time officer role, it's an excellent introductory course and highly valued for site supervisors. If you're targeting American-linked firms or the private construction sector, the OSHA 30-hour training is another fantastic credential to have. Don't forget the specialized local certs. HABC Level 2 or 3 in First Aid and Fire Safety are often mandatory for site-level staff. For those interested in office-based roles, becoming an ISO 45001 lead auditor demonstrates a deep understanding of safety management systems. If your goal is the lucrative oil and gas sector in Abu Dhabi, you will eventually need ADNOC approval, which involves a specific interview process. Safety compliance in the UAE is split between federal laws and emirate-specific systems. Understanding these gives you a competitive edge. In Abu Dhabi, the OSHAD framework is extremely rigorous. It requires companies to maintain a detailed HSE management system and use approved practitioners. Dubai follows strict technical guidelines. You'll need to be familiar with the Dubai Municipality portal for reporting accidents and obtaining permits. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, salary. For a beginner or fresher HSE officer, what can you expect? Typically, entry-level roles range from 4,000 to 8,000 dirhams per month, depending on the industry and your certifications. Most companies also provide benefits like accommodation or a housing allowance, transportation to the site, health insurance, and annual flight tickets. Remember, the oil and gas sector in Abu Dhabi generally pays 20 to 30% higher than general construction roles. One of the most important practical tips: do not travel to the UAE without getting your degree and certificates attested by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. This attestation is mandatory to have the official safety officer title on your work visa. This process can take several weeks. When drafting your resume, place your certifications at the very top. Highlight your NEBOSH, IGC, and IOSH credentials clearly. Include keywords like toolbox talks, job safety analysis, and permit to work. These are the daily tasks HR managers are looking for. Beyond online portals like LinkedIn and Naukri, networking is powerful. Many entry-level roles are filled through referrals. Here is a pro tip: get a UAE driving license as soon as possible. Many sites are remote, and being able to drive yourself makes you significantly more employable. Having a license can actually increase your starting salary by 1,000 to 2,000 dirhams because of the independence it provides. You'll likely start as a safety assistant or HSE trainee. Within 2 to 3 years of hard work, you'll progress to a full HSE officer role. Long-term growth leads to management or engineering roles, which require advanced credentials like the NEBOSH International Diploma. To recap, get your certifications, understand the local regulations, and network effectively. Your career in UAE safety starts with these steps. With the right preparation, the UAE offers a rewarding and dynamic career for any aspiring HSE professional. Good luck on your journey.